Hello, this is Henry, and I would like to share my trades from today. First up, we have TWLO. TWLO, I observed putting in a level at 247.50 here on the 15-minute chart, here at 8:45, and again here at 9. Sold off here at the close of the pre-market and got bought up really nicely up through this volume point of control here on the 15 and the 30. And then began to consolidate, and we can see here this light blue moving average is the 20 EMA, which I took an entry on. You'll see here on the 30-minute, this 10 a.m. candle was looking like a hanging man at the time, and when I entered here at this 10:30 candle, this was all wick to the upside. So when I entered here at 251.58 and put my stop back here at 252.44, this ticker found support along this light blue MA, which is the 20 EMA, and reversed, and I got stopped out. Next up, we have DXC. DXC, I observed putting in a level at 20.47. Here on the 15-minute chart here at 10 a.m. and again here at 10:15 a.m. I entered this trade in two positions here at 20.37 and added to my position here at 20.41, which was an average of 20.38, and I moved my stop down to 20.28, which was resting right above this volume point of control. I observed that it got bought up pretty well here at the open, and I thought it may be extended, but here with this volume point of control here on the 15-minute and here on the 30-minute, I thought that they may serve as support and we may have another leg up. So after entry here in this 10:30 candle, we broke the 20.47 level and got to 20.52. But you can see that coincides with this pink line here, which is my standard deviation from VWAP. Once it failed this and failed the 20.47 level here in this 10:45 candle, I took my exit here at 20.32, about 4 cents above my original stop. And last up, we have DDOG. DDOG, I observed putting in a level here at 79.06 here on the 15-minute, here at 10:30 and at 10:45. I take my entry here at the 11 o'clock candle here at 79.90 with the stop up here of 80.05. It sold off nicely, and what got my interest in this trade besides this price level is we'll see here actually on the 60-minute for DDOG. Here at the close yesterday, here this first post-market candle, it sold off quite a bit, and you can see this volume point of control here on the 60. Got bought back up over post-market, did some consolidation here, and these three dojis here, these two pre-markets, and this is half of the pre-market and half an hour into the open. I read this as weakness, and we can see all the moving averages are above here, and this is the 9 EMA, which it was curling under here, and we can see it sold off here at 10, and here my entry at 11, again entry at 79.90, stop at 80.05, and I started taking profits down here at 59, 48, 36, 23, 11, 79, 78.06, 78.86, 78.66, 78.46, 78.01 down here, 77.88, and all out down here at 77.75. Definitely had a lot more room left in this. Did some consolidation here between 11:45 and 12:15 before here in this 12:30 candle it gets some more volume and continues to sell off and makes another leg or two down. Another example of declining volume, as we can see here in these here in this 9, 10, and 11. So I took my exit here at 11. As you can see, the volume is declining, and I thought it may have run out of steam, but you can see here at 12, the sellers come back in and move this back down. But those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.